Hello everyone, this is Kamrun Nahar, class 10 English version. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are well. Today is chapter 10 coordination. Okay, chapter 10 first creative question. Name of the disease and symptoms. Okay, M indicate dopamine producing cells gradually destroy. Okay, please guess what is the name of the disease. And N symptoms is excessive thirst, feeling tiredness, and delayed healing of wound. Okay, please guess this is another disease. First one, what is vernalization and what is phytohormone? Okay, what is vernalization? Vernalization is the acceleration of flowering of plants by applying chilling on them is called vernalization. ওকে, শৈত্য প্রদান করে ফুল ধারণ ক্ষমতাকে এগিয়ে আনাই হচ্ছে ভার্নালাইজেশন. ওকে, অ্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ ফাইটোহরমোন? Phytohormone is one kind of hormone that found in plants. Okay, this is a normal definition. Okay, the biochemical substance which is produced in the plant body and regulates growth and development of the plant is called phytohormone. Okay, then B, differentiated between cerebral or cerebrum, both is same, and cerebellum. Okay, difference between cerebrum and cerebellum. First one, cerebrum. Some points are cerebrum is the part of forebrain. Okay, it is located at the front part of brain. Front part, সামনের দিকে. It is located at the front part of brain. Cerebrum receive nerve impulse and send response to the various organ of the body. Okay, and then cerebellum. Cerebellum is the part of hindbrain. Okay, and it is located at the back part of brain. Okay, cerebrum is front part and cerebellum is back part. Okay, cerebellum controls the muscle stretch, coordinates in movement, balance, control the voluntary activities of voluntary muscles. Okay, then go to explain M mentioned disease of the stem. Okay, M mentioned disease is dopamine producing cell gradually destroy. Dopamine means one kind of hormone. Okay, so this is the so M mentioned disease in the stem is Parkinson disease. Okay, this disease is very important for you. 2001, this question is very important. Parkinson disease. Parkinson disease is a condition of the brain that causes jerking. Jerking means কাঁপা. তোমার অনেক হাত পা এগুলা কাঁপবে, ঠিক আছে? Because jerking of the hands and leg. Okay, the patient becomes unable to walk and move. Generally the disease started after the age of 50 years. Okay, after the age of 50 years, but in exceptional cases young people may suffer from this disease. In this case it is usually hereditary. Okay, nerve cell produce a substance called dopamine. Nerve cell produce, where? Nerve cell of brain. Okay, nerve cell produce a substance called dopamine which help in muscular movement. ঠিক আছে, যেটার জন্য আমাদের দেহের সব কিছু আমরা মুভমেন্ট করতে পারি. ডিউ টু পার্কিনসন ডিজিজ ডোপামিন প্রডিউসিং সেলস আর গ্র্যাজুয়ালি ডেস্ট্রয়. ওকে, সো হোয়াট হ্যাপেন? Destroy. Without dopamine, nerve cell become unable to send stimulation to the muscles. So the muscle loses its effectiveness. Okay, with this increase of age, muscles of a Parkinson disease patient becomes more inactive. Okay, এজ যত বাড়বে এই রোগটাও তত কী হবে? আরও বেড়ে যাবে এবং রোগী আরও ইনঅ্যাক্টিভ হয়ে যাবে. সো দ্য পেশেন্ট ফাইন্ডস movement difficult. Okay, Parkinson disease gradually turns severe at the preliminary stage of the disease is brings with tumor or patient has difficulty moving his leg or foot. Okay, additionally tumor of eyelids, মানে যখন আরও বেড়ে যাবে তখন তোমার কি হবে, চোখের পাতাও কাঁপবে। হ্যাঁ, কনস্টিপেশন, ট্রাভেল ইন সোলোইং অফ ফুড, প্রবলেম ইন ওয়াকিং স্টেট, সোজা হাঁটতে পারবে না। ওকে, স্টিফনেস ইন ফেস, পেইন ইন মাসেল অকার। হ্যাঁ, দেন গো টু ডি, mentioned disease usually occurred due to hereditary reason. Analyze. Mentioned disease, guess any idea? Mentioned disease in the stem is diabetes. Okay. Within the pancreas there are ductless gland called, pancreas means Agnashoy. Okay. Pancreas called islets of Langerhans. These glands secreted the hormone insulin. Okay. Insulin regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate. Okay, if the pancreas fail to produce the required amount of insulin, then the level of glucose increase in your blood, okay, above the normal level, then glucose is released in the urine. Okay, first one, release in the urine. The condition is called diabetes mellitus or diabetes. Okay, diabetes is of two types, type 1 and type 2. In type 1 the patient body does not produce insulin at all. হ্যাঁ, একেবারেই তৈরি করতে পারে না। ওকে, সো দ্য পেশেন্ট হ্যাজ টু টেক ইনসুলিন ইনজেকশনস। ওকে, ইনসুলিন ইজ পার্শিয়ালি প্রডিউস ইন টাইপ 2 পেশেন্ট বডি। হ্যাঁ, টাইপ 2 রোগীর দেহে পার্শিয়ালি মানে আংশিক ইনসুলিন তৈরি হয়। ওকে, ইন দিস সিচুয়েশন দ্য পেশেন্ট হ্যাজ টু টেক মেডিসিন ওরালি টু হেল্প প্যানক্রিয়াটিক সেল টু প্রডিউস অ্যাডিকুয়েট অ্যামাউন্ট অফ ইনসুলিন। Okay, sometimes in case of type 2 diabetes there may be the chance of permanent deficiency of insulin, or if medicine is prohibited due to other disease, then there is no option but to take injection. ওকে, টাইপ 2 রোগীদের যখন অন্যান্য লক্ষণও প্রকাশ হয় তখন তারা সেই ট্যাবলেট বাদ দিয়ে তাদেরকে আবার ইনজেকশনালি ইনসুলিন নিতে হয়। হ্যাঁ, then go to some symptoms, frequent passes of urine, excessive thirst, excessive hunger, gradual loss of weight in spite of excessive eating, feeling tiredness and weakness, disturbed vision, তারপর roughness of skin and delayed healing of wounds. Earlier it was assumed that only the elderly suffer from this disease, but it is not. Okay, but this idea is not correct. People of any age can suffer from this disease. Okay, but people who do not work physically or are overweight, okay, have a greater chance of developing diabetes mellitus. This is a hereditary disease. If a close family member like father, mother, grandfather, grandmother suffer from diabetes mellitus, then there is a greater chance, okay, greater chance of developing the disease. Because of genetics, some children produce less insulin, okay, resulting insulin deficiency disease. Okay, so this is the answer of this creative question. Study this creative question. See you later, another creative question. Okay, Allah Hafiz.